Here we are at the gas testing bay. So we have a range of gas meters which are pre-installed to cover the typical heat inputs required. So there's also electronic control valves that are available to allow easy switch between meters as required to test from a pilot rate to a full appliance heat input. There's a range of cooking pans which satisfy the requirements of the various gas and electrical test standards as well. We have a localized water filling tap and a pump within the bay. There is also a weighing scale located adjacent to the tap for measurement of the amount of water needed for testing purposes. There's a gas pressure gauge, thermocouples, all fitted, and there's also a Pico logging device within the bay. There is a variac which is permanently installed to provide easy voltage variation and measurement during testing. And there are electronic solenoid control valves that are provided to allow changeover between district natural gas and bottled test gases. There is a dedicated wall-mounted CO2 analyzer which is permanently available to serve each test bay, and it's chemiluminescent NOx analyzer which is also available if it's required. There is a fully adjustable motorized hood which is located directly above the test bay area to accommodate different range of appliances. So to sum up, our new test bay for gas and electrical domestic cooking appliances allow us to accommodate a greater range of domestic cooking appliances much more quickly and easily for our clients. Testing and certification projects can now be completed more efficiently in a robust and accurate control environment. The added benefit to our clients of reduced timescale for completion of projects.